I am Dr. Surekha Tiwari. I am a practicing homeopath and a psychological counsellor. I am in Bangalore since the last 20 years. I have 2 clinics, one in AECS layout and the other is in HSR layout. For any infection to enter your body, affect you and produce symptoms, you need to have 2 things. First, the infection should be virulent. Second, your own immunity should be compromised. Everybody who's walking the roads these days is not affected by virus. But you do realize that small children, older people, people who are just recovering from any old sickness, they are more prone to these kind of disorders. It's basically because their immunity is compromised. And also all viral infections are spread through body discharges. If a person sneezes in front of you or coughs in front of you, the water droplets which fly out, they are the ones which carry infection. Hygienic measures are anytime, every time most welcome and most important. Sanitizer is one of them. Washing your hands with soap and water is the other. Wearing a mask when you have a problem so that you do not consciously infect the others. And wearing a mask when you go to a very, very crowded area are again a part of the same picture. Sanitizers help in immediate prevention of spread.